Wow! Kikilabutan ka sa kagandahan ng ating mga Miss Universe Philippines. Wow! Ibang klase. Welcome to Wawawin Tutok Tuwin. Ladies, first of all, do you like my coat?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow! Kita mo naman ha. Would you believe I'm like your father? I'm 60 years old. Pero tandaan nyo, ang 60 years old, diyan kayo may security. Parang bangko. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, mag-enjoy kayo dahil ano ba ang experience nila? Ano ba mga kwento ng buhay nila? Sa sila nagsimula, bakit nila gusto maging Miss Universe Philippines? Malalaman po natin yan. At syempre, please introduce yourselves.
I am Billy Hackinson, your Miss Universe Philippines 2024 runner-up.
I am Pauline Cucharo Amlings, your Boholana Belgian, your Miss Universe Philippines 2023 runner-up.
Hi, my name is Isabella Ismael, also known as Bella Ballerina. I'm from Parañaque City and your Miss Universe Philippines 2020 first runner-up.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rabia Oxenio Mateo, 23, your Miss Universe Philippines for the year 2020.
Wow! Mga kababayan, mga kapuso, mga mahal nating kababayan, ito ho, live tayo ha, sa GMA7, siyempre sa Twitter, Facebook at sa YouTube. And of course, RS and Sam Bersosa is here dahil sila ho pala ang nakipag-usap sa Miss Universe. Ha? Para ho mapadala ang Miss Universe Philippines dito sa Pilipinas. RS, Sam, hello. Greet everybody. Come on, RS.
Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood, sa milyong-milyon nanonood ulit. Andito kami para magatid ng saya at magatid din ng kagandahan ng mga magagandang dilag na kasama natin ngayon dito sa Miss Universe.
So magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nakatutok to win dito sa Wawawin. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo. Nandito na naman po kami ngayon, yung front row, at dala namin yung kagandahan ng mga Pilipina.
Yes.
Mga Miss Universe winners po. Thank you.
Para malaman nyo lang, parang sila muna bago ko sabi natin mga beautiful winners. RS, Sam, bakit nyo naisipan na maging part ng Miss Universe? Of course, Miss Universe sa US, di ba?
Yes.
Yung founder niya. And then, Philippines na. Paano nyo naisipan to?
Kuya, gusto natin ipakita yung kagandahan ng mga Pilipina.
Hindi
Yung
lang sa
ganda,
tao,
yung
yes.
talino, makita ng buong mundo. Tulad ng mga nanonood dito sa Wawawin, yung kagandahan ng mga Pilipina.
Ayan.
About you, RS, bakit nyo naisipan to? Your partners with Miss Universe, no?
Yes, we partnered with Miss Universe, Kuya Will, para, yun nga, gusto namin talaga, I feel na talagang yung ganda ng Pilipina deserves a bigger platform, bigger stage. And yun talaga, that's why we said yes kagad nung sinabi, if you want to Front Row wants to partner with Miss Universe para magawa ng Miss Universe Philippines po. So sabi namin,
you're saying na parang you have the authority, you have the right ng Miss Universe. Kumbaga, itong pageant na ito now, kayo nag-handle, kayo ang partner. Ganun ba?
Together po
With
the
Empire.
sila Mama Jonas Gafood po and the whole team. Isang team po yan na nagpatakbo, nag-handle at nagkaroon ng tagumpay na ipalabas yung kauna-unahang pageant ngayon.
Si Jonas
kahit
Gapud, na
pandemic.
manager ni Miss Pia Warsback.
also our national director is Miss
Shamsi
Shamsi
Supsup.
Supsup. Tapos si Lamario, di ba?
So together with the directors and the whole team po, successfully natin na stage yung first ever pageant po ng 2020 sa Pilipinas.
Kahit challenging, kuya, challenging. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin, kailangan mag-practice tayo ng safety, protocols pa din. Yun talaga yung kung paano ka mag-stage ng beauty pageant, kuya, na talagang lahat ng safety, health, kailangan procedure, magawa. So lahat po kami nagpuntang Baguio, lahat po kami may swab test, lahat. Yun.
You have to be disciplined.
Yes, kuya.
So meron din mga, I think meron mga nag-back out, no? Because of nagkaroon ng...
Hindi po nag-back out para test.
We had a couple of girls who backed out. I think there were 3 of them. And I think there were 3 girls who backed out because of the pandemic, their own personal struggles with the pandemic. And then the rest of the girls, parang we just powered through the competition. It was really, really hard, and it's totally understandable that they backed out. Pero we understand it.
Ang galing mo mag-English, ha? Galing, ha? Pwede ka talaga sa Amerika, ha? Di ba? So,
Sige,
so
Tagalog
si Miss,
na ako
ano,
next time.
what is that? Your surname is Hackenson. Your father is what?
My father is British.
British, that's why.
But he grew up in Masbate, so he can speak in Bicolano and Tagalog also.
But you're a, taga Masbate.
No,
You
I'm from Cavite. My mom was from Masbate. That's where they met. And then they moved to Cavite. And then I was born and raised there. Once upon a time, there was
Wow, ang galing naman. Okay.
Yeah.
So your name is Billy.
Yes, my nickname is Billy. I got it from I work as a flight attendant. So we have to have nicknames. Since everyone is Kim na, parang I wanted something different. Billy na lang para fits with the hair and the personality. So
You know what, Billy? Don't you know that my name is Willie? Willie Billy. Hello, Willie Billy. Billy Willie. All right. Okay.
Pwede,
All right, that's nice.
pwede.
And how about you, madam? Your name is Miss Pauline. Hi, Pauline.
Yes, hi. Tita
Okay,
Mary. Pauline
you're
Ambles.
from
I'm from Bohol.
Bohol.
Yes. And my dad is from the land of beer, chocolates, and waffles.
That's right, Bohol. Okay. Huh?
Belgian yung dad
Belgian
ko.
chocolate.
Okay, but anyway, say hello to your mga kababayans.
To everyone in Bohol, maadjong adlaw kaninjong tanan. Thank you so much for tuning in and for supporting me on my journey. Dahang salamat.
That's right. Well, Billy used to be a flight attendant. How about you?
I am a retail and sales consultant on leave, pero ngayon, since it's been 9 months already, I think it's like a sabbatical already, yung leave ko, because it's been so long. And with everything that's been going on with Miss Universe Philippines and all the activities lined up for us, I'm going to have to reconsider everything.
Saka iba na sila magsalita ngayon, no? Di ba? Parang talagang pwede ng pang-international naman,
Totoo
di ba?
yan. Totoo.
Do you study that? Paano ba yan? Kailangan ba magaling ka mag-English?
It's not, no, we always tell ourselves that it's not a requirement for you to speak English fluently to join a pageant. And in fact, actually we had Eliza Melina from Davao City who had an interpreter. She spoke Bisaya on national TV.
yes.
And,
And also sa Miss Universe, sa mga ibang pageant, di ba? May interpreters din sila.
Yes.
Pero,
It's giving homage to our roots as well.
where did you finish college?
In Cebu.
In Cebu?
Yes.
Wow, may accent na si
Okay,
Kuya.
yeah. May accent na si Kuya! You finished college, what course?
What course? I finished international studies.
Whoa, look at that, wow!
Pang-international.
Okay, we're international. Want to say hello to your mom and dad? Are you watching?
Yes, I think they're watching because they know that I'm here tonight. Mapa, thank you for watching. I'm super busy. Sorry, I haven't been replying to all your messages. Sorry na. Hopefully soon I'll be going back home and I can't wait to see all of you.
Thank you, Pauline. And of course, the first runner-up from Parañaque. Hello?
Hi, Kuya Will.
Oh, Kuya, Diyos ko naman. Okay. Hi.
My name is Isabella Ismael, but then everybody knows me as Bella. I am the ballerina of the batch. So as you can see, nag-double turn po ako. Yun yung trademark ko ngayon. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for having us.
Same here, of course, anytime.
I think I can speak for all of us. Super
Okay.
excited.
Your province is?
Parañaque City po.
Parañaque lang.
Opo.
Your mom and dad from Parañaque.
Well, yung roots po namin, meron pong Iloilo, meron Pangasinan, but then ako po, I grew up in Parañaque na po. And in 2014, I was binibining Parañaque. So it makes sense, di ba? To
What's your
represent
mom and
my-
dad? Say hello to them.
Hi, Mom, Papa, how are you? I miss you guys. And like what Pauline said, I'm also busy, so I'm sorry. But I love you guys. Thank you for all the support and the love that you guys give me. I wouldn't be here today without you guys.
Gagaling, ano?
Pang-international.
Alam mo, pinanood ko kayo. That was 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, okay? GMA 7, of course. Ang galing eh, nakaka-proud. Iba talaga ang ganda ng Pilipina. Miss Universe, of course, Miss Gloria Diaz, Miss Margie Moran.
Tita niya.
Ha?
Tita niya.
Ikaw pala yun. Tita mo si Miss Margie
Margie,
Moran.
yes,
Ang bait nun, sobra.
I'm very lucky to be related
Say hello
to
to
her.
your tita, Miss Universe.
Hi, Hi, Tito Margie. I hope you're doing well. I hope to see you soon also. Love you. Thank you for the support.
Wow. Your mom and Tita Margie's sisters? Or?
No po. Tito Margie is my dad's cousin.
Sa
Medyo
tita.
distant a little
Related
bit.
pa rin.
Yes, opo.
Okay. Miss Universe, Miss Gloria Diaz.
Hello everyone! kapuso, I'm Donita Knows. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Marami pang hinanda para sa inyong lahat. Kaya mag-subscribe lang sa official YouTube channel ng Wowowin. Don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated.